links mentioned in this video will be listed in the YouTube description below. Congratulations on being admitted to NIU as a first-year student. You're close to becoming a member of the Huskie Nation. Ready to make it official? Taking a few steps now gives you better access to scholarships and orientation dates, along with housing and class selection. Your first step? Confirm your intent to enroll. Log into My NIU using your NIU account ID with your ZID. Your ZID was sent to the personal email address you used when you applied to NIU. Once you've logged in, choose the admissions tile and select Confirm Intent to Enroll. You'll answer a quick question and now it's official. You're a Huskie! Now it's time to pay your $155 enrollment fee. Choose Pay Enrollment Fee. Select Payment Method, specify the payment amount, confirm the payment amount, fill out the billing information, submit payment. Done? You're now an official Huskie. Congratulations! Don't forget, the links mentioned in this video are listed in the YouTube description below.